Has OnePlus created the ultimate foldable phone? Let's find out as we've got an exclusive look at an early build of this exciting foldable handset. Who better to unveil this masterpiece than Pete Lau himself, the founder of OnePlus and senior vice president of Oppo. In an exclusive interview with Unbox Therapy, Lau spills the beans about OnePlus's inaugural foldable device. It's a double delight for OnePlus and Oppo fans. The OnePlus Open and Oppo Find N3 are officially the same device. OnePlus has invested heavily in perfecting the hinge, with over 600 patents dedicated to this crucial component. The hinge is the backbone of any foldable phone, and OnePlus is leaving no stone unturned in ensuring a seamless experience. The hinge design they've chosen is truly remarkable. It's gapless, just like the Find N2. But here's the twist: it's a jaw-dropping 37% smaller than the one in the Find N2, with a whopping 31 fewer components. To demonstrate its prowess, Pete Lau had Hulsentiger close the OnePlus Open with a sheet of paper inside, and guess what? The phone dangled from that paper without slipping a bit. Now, let's get a closer look at the handset itself. From various angles, you can spot raised bezels that are decently thick. However, some parts of the phone were cleverly concealed by paper, including the camera bump, a tantalizing mystery that adds to the anticipation. But hold on, there's more to uncover. The OnePlus Open is rumored to feature the highest pixel density of any folding display on the market. This means that whether it's folded or unfolded, you can expect an incredibly sharp and clear display. And that's not all. OnePlus has also made the hinge more compact than the Find N2, ensuring that the device is not only lighter but also more durable. Pete Lau himself confirmed this during the interview, and that's music to our ears. Here's a familiar sight for OnePlus fans: the textured alert slider. It's proudly shown off during the interview, and it's a signature OnePlus feature. This handy slider allows users to effortlessly silence their phone or switch it to vibration mode. It's great to see this beloved feature making its way to the company's first foldable phone. But we can't unveil all the secrets just yet. Unfortunately, the camera housing remains a well-guarded secret, covered during the interview. However, previous rumors hinted an impressive camera setup, including a 48MP wide-angle lens, a 48MP ultra-wide shooter, and a 64MP telephoto lens. Powering this beast will be the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Mark your calendars, because the OnePlus Open Oppo Find N3 is expected to be officially announced on October 19th. The excitement is building, and we're eagerly awaiting its arrival, rumored to be priced in the $1,000 to $1,300 range. Question remains the same: has OnePlus created the perfect foldable phone? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'll make sure to answer as many as I can. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated. This is Techtics, signing off.